So the next question is how to combine the ASFX systems with a 9-to-5 job. So first, you got to remember, I started trading when I was still working on the weekends as a DJ and doing sales for that DJ job during the week. So I would have to trade before I would go into the office to do the sales stuff or prep for the weekend event or whatever I had to do. So Forex is a great market for part-time traders. That's why I got into it. That's why I push it on so many people, because if you're looking to just start part-time, the hours are way better than the stock market. The stock market's going to close at 4:30 and not open until 9:30 or 4 o'clock, whatever it is. Of course, there's pre-market and after hours. You can definitely do that, but it doesn't move the same way as the regular market. That's the first thing. The second thing is, like with Forex, you'll start to fall into line with certain currency pairs, and you'll be able to actually read the trend, stick with that trend, and ride it for potentially multiple days. And that can be really beneficial to us. So not only do the hours play into it, but you're not worrying about gaps, you're trading trends. And I think that's a big thing too. So when you're part-time, get on the charts during the hours that you can get on the charts. Don't try to force everything in your life to bend around the charts. Give it the time that you can, and slowly you can work your way from part-time to trading bigger and bigger size after a couple of years. Notice how I don't say months, years. And then you can, if you want to, leave your job, get into other investments. What happens for a lot of people, at least that we've worked with, is they end up making money trading, and as their trading does better and they're trading more money, then what ends up happening is they start diversifying their investments, and they actually have some investments that are making them money too. So some people think that they want to quit their job and they're going to just trade full time, but by the time they get to that point, they have so many other investments that trading could be their full-time income, but they also have rental properties, or they also have stocks that are paying dividends, or whatever it may be. You know what I mean? So as you grow, your plan is definitely going to change. It did for us, but for 9-to-5ers, start with the hours that you can get on the chart, start to find patterns, start to find those trends. It's going to be much easier than trading stocks, in my opinion, especially if you can't be there during the stock market open hours. Does ASFX work on the higher time frames for swing trades? Yes. So again, going back to what I said, I think a couple questions ago, it's technical analysis. So you can apply it to any time frame, and you can use the same rules, especially in Forex, on the 1 hour that you would on the 15-minute. At least for our systems. It might not be that way for other people. I'm not going to speak on that. But for us, I know guys that only trade the 1 hour and the 4 hour using the A1, the D1, and the D2 entry. It's all fractal. So if you're using the 15 and the 1 minute, you can use the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Make sense?